Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to read you The Surprise Garden. It's written by Zoe Hall. She wrote the words, so she's the author. And it's illustrated by Sherry Halpern. Remember, the illustrator draws the pictures. Let's see what happens. As you're looking at the cover, you might be making some guesses about what we might find in the garden in this story. We're planting the seeds for a surprise garden. Can you guess what we will grow? And look at those seeds. Do those seeds all look the same, or do they all look different? Different seeds are going to grow different things. We don't know. It's a surprise. First, we use our trowel and rake to loosen the soil. A trowel is another word for a shovel. Mom has given us each a handful of all kinds of seeds. Look at all the different shapes and sizes. We poke the seeds into the soil one by one. We have painted sticks different colors to mark the different kinds of seeds. Looks like they sorted those seeds before they put them in. Then we water the seeds and wait for our surprise garden to grow. Soon the seeds sprout into small green shoots. Those look like our little sunflower shoots, our little baby sprouts that started growing. We water the plants and the sun warms them. Our garden grows and grows. On some plants, flowers bloom. Now take a second and look at those leaves. Do they all look exactly the same, or do they look different? I wonder if you can make any guesses about what might be growing in the garden by looking at some of the leaves. Before long, the petals fall off. Surprise! We see peas, beans, and squash. On some plants, leaves grow close to the ground. Surprise! We have spinach and lettuce. Oh, and the bunny might be pretty happy about the lettuce. And what is growing here? Surprise! We see broccoli and cauliflower. Is anything growing here? Surprise! We find carrots and radishes. They are growing under the ground. And to pull it right out. Those are root vegetables. The part we eat grows right under the ground. Here is the longest plant in our garden. Flowers bloomed on this plant too. Surprise! We find a big watermelon. Here is the tallest plant in our garden. Surprise! It's a sunflower. And it is full of tasty seeds. Think about where those seeds are. We looked at that together in another story. The seeds grow right in here. All summer long, the food in our surprise garden ripens. We like to pick the food and eat it too. Surprise! We're having a garden party. That's the end of the story.